Okay, this is the old Spar tree here. It's 160 feet high that we're going to replace. And as you can see here, it's all rotted stuff here, different places here and up here. And the birds are going in one side over here and they're coming around and going out the other side. So there's something suspicious, but it's rotten. You betcha.
Oh, here it comes.
Okay, well we did, we went ahead and felled this tree, and then this Pelham Trucking, they offered to come and haul it for us. And then Gustus and the logging company, they said they would furnish the loader and stuff and come down, bring it in on a lowboy, then they'd load the log, and then they'd load the loader back up, bring it down to Camp 18, and unload it. So so that's what we did. So we got it here now.
So this and around, so about. Now they've drilled some 3/4 inch, 15-inch deep holes into this spar tree. We're putting a fumigant in here, a granular fumigant, that'll protect the wood from decay and insects. Try to extend the life of this particular spar pole so I don't have to do it again as quickly. Then we're going to put in these removable plastic plugs. These then can be taken out in the future if someone chooses, and they can apply more chemical into the same hole so you don't have to drill them more than once.
September 14th, 2009. The project today, take down the old spar tree and replace it with a new one here at the Camp 18 Restaurant and Logging Museum in Elsie, Oregon. The original tree is about 20 years old as of last month. It's been heavily infested with decay, exposed to the Oregon coastal mountain environment out here. It's a little bit unstable, and we have the assistance of the Campbell Crane Company and a group of volunteers that are here to help facilitate the project and make it happen as safely and cleanly as possible. go under with that one. Okay, and we'll want to put it over the top of these guidelines, Clay.
There. No, that's good. Let's then take another wrap.
Here we go.
Now we gotta tie a stump down first.
We'll get one more wrap on it, Zach, here, and we'll have it.